Ito ang nakuha ko. What you got up to last week. Yan, 6 videos, 19 shorts, and 1 post. 2.0k people into you. And we got 24 new subscribers. Thank you sa 24 new subscribers ko. Found you sa short feeds, sa channel page, 3 YouTube search. Okay. This is what they watch. Natakot ako sa kanya. Di naman. Ito daw ako, bata pa. Vlogger din siya. Dance. Okay. People didn't just watch. They reached out. 96 likes. 39 shares. 60 comments. And were you video shared last week? Ano yun? Hindi ko alam to ah. How many times